New time again for Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Welcome back, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
We're discussing the Grace Smith House wheel that you found on Facebook.
Yes.
A very important wheel.
Yes, the self-care wheel. And we were talking about, ways that you try to strike a balance in your professional life. So, and you had a quote that we were talking about off the air. What was that?
Well,
I'd like to share that.
And you started this in the last time we got together. When you work. When you're home, you should be home. And but it's so hard to create the boundary between the two sometimes.
It is. And I hear people saying, oh, I have sleepless nights because of work things. And listen, I do too. But I've always been very good at compartmentalizing. So it's pretty rare for me. So let me share a couple of other things.
Sure.
Under the professional portion of the pinwheel. It was set boundaries. And I put my own spin on this. I interpreted this in a particular way. Look, if you're going through the divorce process or a stressful time in your life, there are certain things your employer and your coworker need to know and others that they do not. Your personal life is your personal life. And between you and me, it's no one else's business. And sometimes you have to be cautious when you share intimate things about your personal life with coworkers, because you never know when people can try to use that against you and try to keep you back so they can get ahead of you for promotions or raises or additional responsibilities. So look, be cautious about what you share. Ask for help for those people you're really close to, but be prepared to set boundaries. And I think the last one that I found particularly relevant is don't be afraid to take mental health days. And that's one that I should be taking my own advice. Because I never take days off. I take very few vacations and I take very few days off. And I think sometimes it's important to take those days off and minimally just to have idle time. Sometimes it's kids and it's work and it's responsibilities and it's get to the gym and it's I've got lunch with my friends and then I've got to go to this training and then we lose sight of when am I taking the time to think about, like we said before, planning for my professional future. What's my next career move? Sometimes we never give ourselves enough time to just think about that.
Good advice, as always, from Dennis Vetrano. To find out more about Dennis and his firm, please visit his website.
drvetranolaw.com.
Two things, Dennis. Take the rest of the day off.
Yes.
And happy Festivus.
To all you Seinfeld fans out there, happy Festivus to you and Joe as well.